Till now, we have learnt about the parts of the eye. Now let us see the functionality of the human eye. Light coming from an object enters the eyes through the cornea and pupil. Iris controls the size of the pupil, and pupil controls the amount of light entering into the eye. The eye lens is convex in nature, so the resulting image is real, small, and inverted, formed on the retina. The retina converts these light rays into the electrical signals with the help of light-sensitive cells. These electrical signals are then sent to the brain via optic nerve. The brain interprets the signals and renders the erect image of the object. Then how do we see colors? The retina of our eye has a large number of light-sensitive cells. The cells in the retina are of two types. Rod-shaped. These cells respond to the intensity of light, brightness of the light. Cone-shaped. These cells help the retina to respond to colors and help us to distinguish between various colors. An important point to note is, a normal eye can see the near objects and as well as distant objects clearly because of its power of accommodation. Before moving on to power of accommodation, we need to know about the difference between the nearby and distant objects. The rays coming from a distant object are parallel to one another when they reach the eye. When a light is given out by a distant object, initially the rays diverge, but later, after traveling a large distance, they become parallel when they reach eye. These rays need a convex eye lens of low converging power to focus them to form an image on the retina of the eye. Note that the convex eye lens of low converging power has large focal length and quite thin. The rays coming from a nearby object are diverging when they reach the eye. The light given out by the nearby object give diverging rays. These rays need a convex lens of high diverging power to focus the image on the retina. Here note that the convex eye lens of high converging power has short focal length and quite thick. Based on these points, now it will be easy for us to understand about the power of accommodation.